Car batteries help start your car and keep it running. Over time, you might see a white, green, or blue powder on the battery terminals. This is called corrosion. Luckily, there are some simple and easy methods you can use to clean it at home. Baking soda helps clean car battery terminals by neutralizing the acidic corrosion and making it easy to scrub off. Firstly, turn off your car completely and remove the keys from the ignition. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes. Open the hood of your car and find the battery. Then, use an air blower to remove all the debris around the terminals. Next, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with half a cup of water and stir it well using a brush. Apply the solution to the battery terminals with the brush. Apply it to both terminals, then scrub them with another brush to remove the corrosion. After that, wipe the terminals with a kitchen paper towel to clean off all the corrosion. Repeat the same process on the battery clamps. Finally, apply some grease to the terminals and clamps using your finger. This will help protect them from future corrosion. Coke has acid that helps break down corrosion. It makes the rust easier to clean off. Pour a small amount over the corroded area and let it sit for a few minutes to clean the terminal. After that, soak the corroded battery clamps in the Coke for a few minutes. Then, wash the clamps with water, and the corrosion will come off easily. Vinegar helps clean corrosion from car battery terminals by breaking down the buildup with its acidity. Mix 2 tablespoons of salt with white vinegar to form a solution. Then, pour the solution onto the terminals, and you will see a bubbling reaction. Pour more solution onto the terminals and let it sit for 10 minutes. After that, loosen the terminals and clean them with a wire brush to remove any remaining corrosion. If needed, pour some more vinegar on the terminals. Finally, apply some grease to the terminals to protect them from future corrosion. For another method, firstly remove the negative terminal of the battery. Then, remove the positive terminal and clean off most of the corrosion using a screwdriver. Next, spray battery terminal cleaner on both terminals. Spray some water on the terminals to remove the foam, then wipe them with a clean cloth. Use a wire brush to remove any debris from the battery clamps and also clean the terminals with it. Finally, apply some petroleum jelly to the terminals to help prevent future corrosion. Reconnect the battery terminals and spray some battery protector on both terminals. This will help keep the battery from corroding in the future. Cleaning corrosion from car battery terminals is simple and can help your car run smoothly. With regular checks and cleaning, your battery will last longer and work better.